Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we're going to be talking about the top 5 best IPS monitors in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the prices and more information about these monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the DELL ULTRASHARP U2414H. The DELL U2414H is one of the most affordable options in the market if you're looking for a monitor that uses the IPS technology, and you will hear why right away. From a design perspective, the U2414H features a glossy piano black panel which is composed of thin bezels and an adjustable silver stand with a tiny hole for making your wire management easier. However, the stand can only let you make little height adjustments and tilt adjustments for 26 degrees both forward and backward. But unfortunately, nothing more than that. This isn't something to be surprised of, since the price is extremely affordable, so Dell had to sacrifice something. All of its ports are located at the rear, facing downward, and they include 4 USB 3.0 downstream ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 upstream USB 3.0 port, 2 display ports, of which one is full-sized, and 1 mini and audio output. Now, let's talk about its features. This model uses the IPS technology for offering wider viewing angles and sharp colors with a contrast ratio of 1000 to 1. The screen itself is covered with an anti-glare coating, which is always useful for minimizing the reflections. The color representation is indeed stunning, since the DELL covers up to 96% of the sRGB color gamut, which translates into presenting 16.7 million colors. I also want to mention that this monitor is VESA compatible, so you can mount it on your wall if you want and enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience. What I really like about this monitor is its capability to deliver well-defined visuals while watching movies or playing games, so even if you view it from 178 degrees horizontal and vertical angles, everything will still look nice. Overall, you should take the DELL U2414H into consideration if you want to have an extremely good monitor without paying a large amount of money. Next up, at number 4 we have the DELL ULTRASHARP UP2718Q. The DELL UP2718Q is an IPS 4K HDR monitor which makes it ideal for people who are working in the field of graphic design, photo and video editing as well as for gaming. From a design perspective, the DELL features a space gray and matte black combo with thin bezels, which surround the screen and make it look fascinating. The included stand has an embedded tidy hole for making your cable management more convenient, but it will also let you make height, tilt, pivot and swivel adjustments for finding your ideal viewing position. This model is VESA compatible, so you can mount it on your wall if you prefer, without any problems. The connectivities include 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, a DVI, 6 USB 3.0 ports, 1 mini DisplayPort 1.4 and a DisplayPort 1.4, which make it really rich when it comes to the connectivity options. But now, let's talk about the performance. The UP2718Q uses a 27-inch IPS panel which covers up to 100% of the sRGB color gamut, 100% of the Adobe RGB, 97.7% of the RX 709 and 76% of the DCI-P3 for delivering the most lifelike colors that you have ever seen. This may be the key point why this monitor is equally good for designers and gamers. Moreover, the maximum resolution is 3840 by 2160 with 100 nits of brightness and contrast ratio of 1000 to 1, which means that everything you see is going to be filled with plenty of detail. I also want to mention that even if you view it from a 178 degree horizontal or vertical angle, the colors will remain accurate and well defined, so you can always see vibrant visuals. To conclude, you should definitely take this monitor into consideration if you're looking to increase your productivity and gaming potential to a whole new level. At number 3, we have the ASUS DESIGNO MX27UC. The ASUS DESIGNO is meant for satisfying a variety of different users, starting from gamers, designers, and for those who seek more casual stuff such as watching movies or ordinary web searching. From a design perspective, the DESIGNO features a brushed aluminum finish and a 3-sided border-free design for delivering comfortable viewing angles while looking aesthetically handsome. The stand which supports the cabinet has a ring-shaped design and uses a color combo of icicle gold and black for looking as luxurious as possible. The mechanism will let you make tilt adjustments from -5 to 20 degrees, but unfortunately, nothing more than that. The ports include a 3.5mm jack, a DisplayPort 1.2, an HDMI 2.0, and two USB 3.1 ports with super speed charging capabilities. In addition, this model has dual 3-watt speakers, which feature the Sonic Master sound optimization technology, which makes them produce quality audio, but you shouldn't expect a miracle. Now, let's talk about its features. The MX27UC is a 27-inch 4K Ultra HD IPS monitor, which offers highly reliable and accurate colors, even if you view it from an uncomfortable angle. Moreover, this model covers up to 100% of the sRGB color gamut, which means that it can easily display up to 1.07 billion colors accurately. This is really helpful for the designers, since the color representation is always the key for a successful work. To be more precise, if a monitor features a higher pixel count, it means that it can increase your productivity a lot. The DESIGNO delivers up to 300% more on-screen space than a Full HD monitor, so it will be more effective during your work. Overall, the MX27UC would be a really good option for you due to its versatility and its ability to produce stunning visuals. Next up, at number 2 we have the ASUS ROG Swift PG279Q. The ASUS ROG Swift PG279Q is an IPS and G-Sync enabled monitor that jealously keeps its position as one of the best gaming monitors on the market. From a design perspective, the PG279Q features an aggressive angular glossy black design with a sturdy base that has a circular LED light for describing that the whole monitor stands for a serious gamer. The stand provides height adjustments up to 120mm, pivot from 0 to 90 degrees, swivel from -60 to 60 degrees, as well as tilt from -5 to 20 degrees for ensuring that you will have a really comfortable view. The connectivities consist of a 3.5mm Airphone mini jack, two USB 3.0 ports, an HDMI port and a display port, so you will be well equipped with connectivity options. This monitor covers up to 100% of the sRGB color gamut with a maximum resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 165 Hz for displaying lifelike visuals, which are always necessary for gaming. The screen is coated with a non-glare layer, so it minimizes the reflection to the minimum, which means that you won't be bothered by anything during your gameplay. What caught my attention the most is the monitor's response time of impressive 4 milliseconds and the G-Sync technology that are always a great combination for delivering a smooth and lag-free gameplay. ASUS has also implemented their famous eye care technology, which is composed of a TUV certified flicker-free and blue light filters technology that are necessary for playing for a prolonged period of time. To conclude, you should definitely take this monitor into consideration if you want to have a gaming marathon filled with rich visuals and accurate colors. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Acer Predator XB271HU. The Acer Predator XB271HU is one of the best monitors in the market, which uses the IPS and G-Sync technology for ensuring an immersive gaming experience. From a design perspective, this model features the iconic Predator styling that is composed of sharp angles and red accents on the stand, which makes it look aggressive and futuristic at the same time. The 2-feet shaped stand is fully adjustable, so you can make height adjustments up to 120mm, tilt from -5 to 35 degrees, and it has 90 degrees of pivot and 60 degrees of rotation, which is perfect. I also want to mention that since it is VESA compatible, you can easily mount it wherever you want and have an even better viewing comfort. The connectivities include an HDMI 1.4 port, a display port, 4 USB 3.0 ports, and a built-in 2-watt speakers, which are of decent quality. Now, let's talk about its features. The Predator has a maximum resolution of 2560 by 1440 with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a response rate of 4 milliseconds, so your gaming experience will be elevated to a whole new level. But what makes this monitor a unique one is its ability to cover up to 100% of the sRGB color gamut and the 6-axis color adjustments, which is a really great advantage for delivering vibrant and accurate colors. As I stated at the beginning, this model uses the NVIDIA G-Sync technology for ensuring butter-smooth and lag-free gameplay, so you will enjoy every minute spent on gaming. Thanks to its almost bezel-less design, you can pair it with another or two more monitors and have a larger space for maximizing your user and gaming experience even more. I also want to mention that you can feel the monitor's G-Sync potential the most if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, since G-Sync is developed by NVIDIA. Overall, the Predator would be an ideal option for you if you want to upgrade your gaming arsenal and have your gaming experience increased. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.